So I hope in this problem you picked the lower ball was the ball that traveled a longer distance. This problem is a little bit harder to figure out. The path that the first ball takes is relatively easy. The top ball on the pendulum, it's traveling attached to a string, which means it travels on a quarter of the path of a circle. And that means that the total distance that it travels along the circle is 1/4 of the circumference. That would be pi divided by 2 times the radius, or about 1.57 times r. The second ball is launched in a path that takes a parabolic shape. And you have to actually go through some math to figure out exactly how far it does. If it was an idealized case, the ball would drop 1 meter in the vertical direction and travel 2 meters in the horizontal direction. And if I looked at the straight line path, which is a smaller distance than the total path it would take, that distance would be the square root of 5 times that r, the r being 1 meter. And so square root of 5 being bigger than 1.57 is going to tell me that the second ball travels a longer distance. Now, if you look carefully at the video, you might have noticed it didn't quite travel 2 meters in the horizontal direction when we did the actual demonstration. And the reason why is that this collision is not exactly elastic. We also have other things like air resistance and so forth going on. And the real result will never exactly meet that idealized result, but it still will travel a farther distance.